What if you woke up tomorrow and discovered that artificial intelligence could do your job faster, cheaper, and around the clock? This isn't a distant future. It's happening right now. Across offices, hospitals, factories, and even classrooms, AI is transforming the way people work. Some careers will evolve, others may disappear, and entirely new opportunities will emerge. So, is AI really replacing human jobs, or is it simply changing the rules of the workplace? Let's explore the truth behind one of the biggest technological revolutions of our time. AI isn't just changing office jobs. It's transforming hospitals, factories, transportation, and even agriculture. Doctors now use AI to detect diseases earlier. Farmers monitor crops with drones and intelligent sensors. Manufacturers rely on AI-powered robots to improve quality and safety. Around the world, artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful partner in solving real-world problems. Not every job will disappear because of AI, but almost every profession will change. Software developers now use AI to write code faster. Doctors rely on AI to detect diseases earlier. Lawyers use AI to analyze thousands of legal documents in minutes. Customer support teams solve problems around the clock with intelligent assistants. The future won't belong to people who compete against AI. It will belong to those who learn how to work with it. The biggest mistake isn't that AI is advancing. It's believing you can ignore it. Every major technological revolution created new opportunities for those willing to learn. AI won't replace people who keep improving their skills. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or a working professional, the best time to start learning AI is today. The future is already here, and it's waiting for those who are ready. Artificial intelligence isn't the end of human potential. In many ways, it's the beginning of an entirely new chapter in human history. Every great technological revolution has created uncertainty, but it has also created extraordinary opportunities for those willing to adapt. The future won't be defined by machines alone. It will be shaped by people who continue to learn, create, and innovate alongside AI. Whether you're a student dreaming of your future, an entrepreneur building a business, or a professional preparing for tomorrow, your willingness to grow will always be your greatest advantage. The future isn't waiting for someone else. It's being built today. The question is no longer whether AI will change the world. It already has. The only question that remains is, what role will you choose to play?